What's up, dudes? Today, taking a look at replacing this. This is my car key fob, and as you can see, I've done a bunch of terrible repairs on it, and it's kind of split in half, and the tape's not really holding very well. And come to find out, you could buy a replacement one of these on Amazon, so we did that. And we're gonna replace it right now in real time, and we're gonna see how long it takes. I think this thing was $6. Let's get some light. Look, if you want to zoom in, let's start by taking it off the key ring here. Yes, if you're tired of or don't want to do a key ring, just jam something in there. Okay, that doesn't make any sense. One thing at a time. Okay, so there's our old one. Here's our new one. Look, feel free to zoom in if you want.
Oh,
I'm
you
see it. Okay, that's fine. That's what we're going for. All right. So inside it says free programming resources available. I don't think we're going to have to program it because all I'm replacing is the center of this thing. I don't think. Well, we're going to see. Okay. Well, we don't need that. Comes in two parts. Or I guess there's more parts. There's like a little plastic gasket in there. It's got the screw, and you're gonna need a little tiny screwdriver, and this one doesn't look like it's small enough. Let's try this guy. Okay. Alright, so yeah, it's got a little tiny screw. That's hilariously small. I'm gonna remove that. Like I said, this is live, guys. And pull it apart. Inside we got, this side has a little battery, so let's just go ahead and put that battery over here. That looks like is where it goes. It's a little bit different because I don't see the little metal part. These look similar, but there's a little metal part on this one. Maybe we need to replace that, but we're just gonna put it back and see what happens. If it doesn't work, we can always go back. It's got the plus side. I think it goes down there. Yeah, let's go ahead and pull that part out. So, no instructions here, but so that's a little concerning. But just grabbing this guy and see if I can pull him out. Got one little side out. Okay. Let's put it back in, I guess. It kind of went right in this little corner here. I'm going to try to stick it back in there. I mean, honestly, there's no instructions, so I'm just putting this back in here the same way. Looks like it has the same little, actually that just wrapped around it. So it's gonna go, maybe this is just a retention clip to kind of keep this battery in place, is my thought. Yeah, I'm guessing that's what it is. That step may or may not be necessary, but there's one piece cut over. Here's our old screw. Okay, and then this guy, let's orient them the same way. Okay, so we got the new little gasket. Okay. So that's just a little plastic piece that goes in and out. We're gonna put that back in there. So I think what we're gonna do, what we're supposed to do is replace this little chip here. So this is the, I'm guessing this is the smarts of this thing. So we're just gonna pop it out. It's like the programming code for all your, I'm just gonna put that back in there. So far so good, except that part didn't really go in very well. Doesn't want to go in, does it? It's not really wanting to go back in, so it's going to take a little bit of squishing, I guess. Without breaking it, hopefully. Because like I said, all the smarts and all the programming, I think, is inside this guy. You know what? Maybe we should pull this out and put that on there. You know? Put that into there. Oh, that was a little easier. Okay. Okay, so just taking some finagling, that got it in there, and then we just lay it down. Push it down in there, and I guess let's just go ahead and... Okay, so yeah, I think that little spring we put in there, it's kind of interesting. It didn't include that spring. And we're just gonna put the... Is this the original back? Okay, yeah, that's my old one. It is wanting to not go in very well. It sounds a little loose. Let's see if we can push it. Oh gosh, that's why. So what happened is our little lock and unlock buttons kind of came out. So let's do this. Get those all centered up. And then snap this boy back on there. Well, this is frustrating so far. Trying to squeeze it tightly shut and it doesn't really want to go. Let's see what's wrong here. I was hoping this would be easier. I think our little rubber thing is supposed to set in there, because it was set in there to begin with. So let's kind of tuck it in around there. Maybe. Wow, it doesn't want to, man. Alright, let's get rid of those guys for right now. Let's try again. Lay this thing on top of here. Wow. I will say this is not easy. Not as easy or as fast as I thought it would be. I wonder if we should use the old original rubbery piece right here, because it kind of fit better. Well, look, we might end up having to edit this guy.
Yes. 8 minutes.
We're at 8 minutes. Oh my goodness, that's a long time. I'm gonna see if I can get to close with it on there. It doesn't want to, man. That's frustrating. So basically this, maybe this needs to go here first. Right? That needs to set there, and then this needs to set. Well, what's annoying is these little buttons just fell right out. You see that? And basically, I gotta put them in there. Maybe I should do it this way. Put that in first. Okay, that went in pretty easy. Now let's put this one in. This might be the better way to do it. And this gets stuffed into there somehow. Wow, this new box is not very good, I will say. Or it just doesn't want to stuff. Well, let's try just laying it up there and seeing what happens if I was to just close it on there, you know? Oh, almost forgot that. Did that even close? Oh, one part snapped. Oh, the other part snapped.
Nice.
See if we can get this top part to snap close. It doesn't seem to want to. See that? See how I have a gap on there?
11 minutes.
Okay, well, we have to cut this thing down then. Ah, the magical clap. So, that was it. Okay. Let's put the new one in, a new screw in here. The new screw looks different from the old screw though. See that? So it's not like the exact same thing. Wow, this new screw does not want to go into there. Let's try this one. Maybe I just had the wrong screwdriver. Okay, that was it. The screwdriver didn't like it. Alright. We are good. Can you see what's wrong here? You can't?
Get in the light. Can you get in the light here?
We got lock and then unlocks upside down. Alright, let's see if the buttons work. Okay, it still pushes. So, basically it looks like whenever you push down, it pushes that battery against it, and that's when it sends out the signal, I guess. Alright, the only thing left is to go test it. Hey, look at this. Here's my old one. Oh, that's the thing that broke. See that? It is actually broken. Can you see that in the light?
A little bit.
Alright, let's go test it on the car. Alright, let's give it a test. In the car, let's try unlock. Okay, it sounds like something happened. Here's lock. Alright.
Yeah!
I'll say it works. Only took us 12 minutes. Congratulations, you made it through possibly one of my most boring videos to date. But I wanted to just show that sometimes things take a little bit longer than you might think they're going to take. And even the most simple process can get a little harder, but you just got to stick with it and finish it. So, with that being said, until next time, this is Josh saying, get out there and go do